Amazon Prime Big Deal Days are coming once again, October 7th through 8th, and you don't want to miss this. Whether you're upgrading gear, buying gifts ahead of the big holiday season, or just getting ahead, now's the time. I've got your affiliate deals and tips to make the most of it. Stick around. Hey there, folks. Josh here, AA4WX. You're watching HamShackTV. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Certainly helps the channel. Give it a thumbs up as well, and maybe leave a comment. What are you looking forward to this Amazon Prime Day? Holiday season's getting here soon. You've already probably been thinking about gifts for your friends and family. This is where to start. So, Amazon Prime Day. Let me start over. You know that I'm always here hunting for deals for you. And Amazon Big Deal Days in October, some big stuff's going to drop, and some of the deepest discounts of the season. From tech stuff to kitchen stuff, from gadgets to gear, it's one of the best chances all year to get more for less. And yes, I'm sharing my affiliate link. You can already find that down in the description down below. And you can support the channel while scoring some big savings. So Prime Big Deal Days runs from October 7th and 8th, 2025. This is 2 full days of deals exclusive for Amazon Prime members. You'll need an Amazon Prime membership. I also have that link down in the description down below. Early deals are already popping up, and once things go live, it moves fast. So here's the deal. You'll see deep cuts on big ticket stuff. Electronics, home appliances, beauty, fashion. If you've been eyeing something expensive, this could be the week. Also, deals tend to sell out fast. You'll want to have having your wish list ready, your Prime membership confirmed, and notification turned on will make the difference. So again, down in the description, you'll see the link to my affiliate link. Anything that you buy using my affiliate link goes to support the channel here on HamShackTV. Also, I lost my train of thought. But, one important thing to note, using my affiliate link doesn't make a hill of beans difference in your price. It's still the same great price as you'd get otherwise. So, let's dive in and take a look at some of the things that Amazon has. Again, October 7th through 8th, but there are some early Prime deals. We'll go through some of those here in a little bit, but check this out. Kindle Fire HD 10 for $89. That's going to be 36% off. There's a Hisense QLED. QLED is the hottest technology for televisions right now. 55-inch model for $286. JBL headphones, wireless, 40% off for a little under $30. You got this DeWalt vacuum here for $99. Let's see here. What else are we looking at? Got some Ring cameras here. I believe those are Ring cameras. They look like Ring cameras. Let's look. Ring cameras, yes. No, these are Arlo cameras. Arlo is a good brand. They've got those available for $109. What else do we got here? I think that's an Arlo doorbell system. More vacuum cleaners. Here's an Instapot for $99. Those are always a very, very great Christmas gift for a loved one. You've got a micro SD card here for $256. That's $19.99. What's this DJI? Let's see what we got here. Is this what I think this is? This is the mini mic transmitter. There you go, DJI for $39. Folks, anything DJI that you can get at that price, swap it up. Fantastic stuff. You got some tools here, different things. There's a saw blade, all kinds of stuff. Here's this portable rechargeable fan that I promoted a few weeks ago. I have this fan. It does a great job if you're outdoors or camping or that kind of thing. Get that for $25. You got a file cabinet here for $104. I know my wife bought that for work not too long ago. This is a mirror case, magnetic iPhone case. I use this on my cell phone. Right here it is for $16.15. Pretty good price. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P gimbal. This is for your cell phone. You can get for $126. Excuse me. You got some security cameras and different things. Here's a Lacrosse Technology weather station for $48. Not a bad deal. More DJI mics for $269. Let's see here. That's a thermometer. Some home items that you might be interested in, baby monitors, things like that. So all kinds of great stuff. Use my affiliate link down below and go check out all these great deals. Now, what can you get deals on early? Here's the early prime deals. Actually, those are the prime deals, guys. So those prices that you see now are available right now. $89.99. Go get it. You don't have to wait until October 7th and 8th. There'll be more great deals revealed as we get closer to the Amazon Prime Day. So get ready. Again, links in the description. You do need an Amazon Prime membership in order to get this. Not only is Prime great for shopping, but it's great for your entertainment too. There's Prime Video. Really, really cool stuff. You'll see my affiliate link down in the description. It does help me out. I do earn a small commission on qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Each purchase helps me keep making content and bringing more deal hunts. It's a win-win situation. Now, here's something to maximize your savings and what you need to watch for, so don't miss out. Make sure you're a Prime member. I've said that over and over and over again. Link in the description on how to get a Prime membership. You'll want to go ahead and build your wish list now or use some of the early deals. You can do that as well. Those are lightning deals, and you can lock those in ahead of time. Watch prices, set alerts, and especially on things you want but don't need immediately. Also, another thing, buyer beware. Check reviews. Make sure it's good quality product. So, go ahead and use my link down in the description down below. Go ahead and get shopping. You can do the early Prime deals, which you saw. Let me pull it back up here. You saw that up here. So, you're on the Prime deals day, but right above that is the early Prime deals. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see all this stuff here for you to check out. Otherwise, mark your calendars October 7th and 8th. When Big Deal Days goes live, I'll drop a deal roundup, a live link in the description, as well as my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching HamShackTV and supporting the channel. Stay tuned, and we'll snag some great deals together for sure. Guys, don't forget, hit that like button if deals are your thing, and subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell. That will alert you anytime I go live or post a video right here on HamShackTV. And we'll see you on October 7th. Don't forget also to subscribe to Ham Radio 2.0. He'll have some great deals as well. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for shopping with me. Hope you have a great day and a great week. Prime deal days, y'all. 73s, AA4, WX, WSCB 690.